This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so now when so from this name place, you just click on setup and maintenance. Okay, okay. So now you will be landed up on this page. Okay, so after landing on this page, if you are searching on this task, okay, this is called as taskbar. Okay, again click on search. From here, you can search everything. Whatever the things that I explained over there, you can search everything. So you can search manage grades. Okay, like this, the grades will come. Okay, if you don't want to get into that one, just click on done. Click on done. Then one more point, one more point. Prior to the this one, prior to that one, I have to explain. So what is there over here? Also searching is there now. What we search over here. So let me search over here also. Manage grades. Okay, I'm able to get the grades. But when I'm changing this one, workforce deployment to workforce development, okay, again I'm searching this manage grades. Yeah, over there also is there. One more thing, compensation will be there, I think so. Now going to Charitram Mandir. See what you are getting over here. See, you are not able to search this manage grades in another offering. What is this one coming, sir? No tasks associated to enabled functional area offering we found, and that means whatever the offerings that you mentioned over there, whatever the offering that you mentioned over there, within this offering we can't search this manage grades. What it means, here you have to concentrate on two things. Okay, manage grades are we are able to search from workforce deployment, but in other offerings we are not able to search manage grades. So what it means, what it means, see, just observe over here. But you may ask me one question, Raghu. Not only the deployment, we are able to see the managed grades in workforce development also now. Yes. Why? Because some of the tasks are shared tasks, shared futures. Some of the futures are shared futures. That's why these tasks are available in other offerings also. First of all, when I'm telling offering, what is the offering that you have to understand? Offerings are for our HCM purpose. It's a very important question. For our HCM purpose, we have only four offerings. That is, okay, workforce deployment, workforce development, compensation management, recruiting, and candidate experience. Okay, so first I'm coming from recruiting and candidate experience. So this is like, okay, by using this offering, we are able to search the topics. Okay, the topics related to, I'm writing over here better. compensation management, and recruiting and candidate experience, I think so. Yeah, candidate experience. See, in workforce deployment, in workforce deployment, okay, what all are the futures? What all are the things that we will learn? Okay, and workforce development, what all are the things that we will learn? Okay, workforce deployment, in workforce deployment, we will learn. One second, I will back. Okay, now in workforce development, okay, in workforce development, first of all, workforce deployment, I told you, right? Okay. Workforce deployment, we will learn absence management, okay, and time and labor, okay, and third one, payroll and core HR also. It is payroll means global payroll. What it means, what it means in workforce deployment, right? What I'm saying, workforce deployment, we will learn. We will workforce deployment offering, from this workforce deployment offering, we can implement absence management, time and labor, payroll, and core HR. So if I am giving the workforce deployment offering, we can able to search, okay, we can able to search all the tasks related to, all the tasks related to absence. See, able to search, it will give you all the works, all the tasks related to absence. Okay, you may get the doubt, why this one, why this one I kept it over here. Means if I don't know the task name but I know some words in the absence, okay, then you can keep the word in between these two percentiles, you will get this one. Okay, now we don't know. Okay, again, I know only two words. See, it will give you, I don't, how I am giving the search over here, I don't know what is comes first, I don't know what is comes next, but I know in between global and absence will come. Then it will give you in between the total task what is consisting global and absence, like this. Okay, now coming to what are the workforce development will give you. So workforce development give you talent management and performance, okay, goal, okay, that's it enough. Succession management also it will give. Okay, now third one, I am coming over here. Third one, you don't get confused, from here I am writing so that it will be easy to you to understand. For workforce development, I'm started writing from here. For workforce deployment, I'm started writing from here. Compensation, I'm starting writing from here. So compensation, in the sense, we have two types of compensations in compensation management: individual compensation, workforce compensation. By joining both of them, we will call compensation management. Okay, and second one, benefits, we can say. Okay, this one is enough. Okay, and coming to the recruiting side. Okay, coming to the recruiting and candidate nature, the name itself, it suggests you like Oracle recruiting. Okay, these things will be supported by Oracle. These all are the offerings will you will get from this search. If you keeping compensation management, okay, I'm keeping compensation management. See, when I kept compensation management, if I'm searching for global options, if I'm keeping compensation management, I'm searching for global options. What it is giving? It is saying that no tasks associated to enabled functional area. So this functional area will be available only in the workforce deployment. Okay. So now you will understood, like, then you may get the question, Raghu, why to search from here, why to search from there? Yes, this one, this page will give you which task is coming from which offering. Okay, which task is coming from which offering. It is, and one more thing, some of them are scope enabled, some of them are scope enabled. Those scope enabled things, you have to go it from, we have to go from here only, not from the global search. The scope enabled things will be there. What is meant by scope enabled things? I will explain it to you. We have some tasks, okay, in core HR, which all are scope enabled. Okay, like, see, I am searching some task called legal entity, manage legal entity. Okay, so over here, when searching this one, what it is asking? Okay, manage legal entity. It is asking me to see over here, select. Over here, select is coming, right? You just think this is already scope is selected. For manage legal entity, scope is already selected. But manage legal reporting unit, if I am taking manage legal reporting unit. Okay, see over here, it is asking for the task, it is asking for the scope, which you have to select. Correct. So same manage legal reporting unit, if I am searching from, if I am searching from globally, what it is asking, if I am and clicking on that one, see over here, you are not selected, you are not able to select the scope over here. Am I correct or not? Scope in the sense, like, whenever you are mentioning legal entity, on which legal entity that you are going to perform your tasks, perform your actions, those things will be applicable to particular legal entity only. So that one, it will ask for the scope. Hope you understood. So that's the reason this is the place where we can keep the scope, which is the space from here you can do the searching globally. Hope this one is understood. Okay.
Okay.
Now coming to second topic from here. Now you may get now this is a first point, and second point, prior to entering into the core HR topics, today I will explain theoretically what I am going to do by using this core by using core HR. So what is my intention is we are going to implement these things. What are these things? Geographies is something, another one. Enterprise, legal entity. Okay, and so go with here. Enterprise structure, locations, divisions, legal entity, payroll stature unit, legal employer. Okay, then after departments, grades, positions, all these things we are going to configure from here in the system. Prior to that one, you should know, you should have basic understanding of enterprise. What is enterprise? Okay, which one is higher level? Legal entity is higher level. What is the functionality of enterprise in real time? Okay, these things you have to understand. So for that one I'm explaining over here. Just okay, see what happens in the sense, in just I'm taking one example. Tata group of, just I'm giving Tata group. See, one candidate is hired into Tata consultancy service. Okay, he will get the salary from Tata consultancy service, or else he will get the salary from Tata group. Any answer?
Ta- Tata Consultants.
From that particular company only he will get the salary, correct or not?
Right.
But those companies, so see over here I'm just giving Tata group is totally one. Tata group means only one own all the group of companies only, we can say. It is just a company name. It's just a total all the companies. By grouping all those things we are saying it as Tata group. But under Tata group we have a this Tata Asia, Tata uh, Europe. Okay, again only three examples I'm taking. Tata, after Europe I'm taking it as America. Don't take it as America. Okay, total another continent, Africa. Okay, these are our three continents, right? Europe is also continent only, right? Okay, Asia, Europe, Africa. Okay, again Tata is the total ultimate uh, holding organization which holds all the functionality which happens over under Asia, Europe, and Africa. Within this Tata Asia, there is a TCS. Within this Tata Asia, there is a uh, Tata Motors. Okay, see over here. What I'm trying to explain over here is, see, under Tata Group, we have. I'm just explaining. I'm not going into. I'm not using any technical functional words. Okay, or ERP related words. Tata Asia is there. Tata Europe is there. Tata Africa is there. Correct. Under Tata Africa, Tata Motors is there. Tata Consultancy Services is there. Okay. This Tata Motors and Tata Consultancy Services within this Asia, within this Asia, okay, we can within this Asia, it may functions, okay, it may functions in Asia, India, correct or not? In the country India also there is a Tata Consultancy Services. Okay, and third point, okay, now third point over here, within this India there is a TCS. Okay, within this TCS is having, in India TCS is having, maybe in Bangalore one company will have, in Hyderabad another company. Okay, within this Bangalore there is, in TCS not only one department will have, it will have departments like IT department and sales department and digital department. Some departments like D1, D2, D3. I'm not going again. I'm not copying pasting everything over there. Just I'm trying to explain over here. See, just observe over here. From this is a structure of the Tata company. Tata company is a Tata group. It's a just a name. Okay. From there, Tata Asia is there. Tata Africa is there, which we which you can't even see. Just name itself, it will be there. In Tata TCS, okay, and TCS Asia, this one, TCS Tata Motors Asia is also there within Tata Asia. Okay, from this Tata Asia in India, also this TCS will be there. Within this India, there will be B1, B2 business units are there. Why? Because B1 in the sense which functions in within India, it is Bangalore, it is Hyderabad. Okay, within this one some divisions and some departments will be there, D1, D2. So now this is a structure, you understood, right? From here I'm explaining what we are going to implement within what, our ERP. Okay, in core HR we are going to design, we are in core HR we are going to design this structure only, but in a very sensible way, very sensible way. Just observe over here, this Tata group we are calling it as enterprise, correct or not? Hello, any doubts are following? Hello,
Clear, clear.
PT,
Yes,
Praneet,
yes, Jason.
Soumya,
Yeah, it's clear.
clear, yeah? So now, okay, first this one we will call it as enterprise. Okay, how many enterprises will be there for a Tata group? Only one, right? Is a basic question and important question. Correct? How many it will be there for enterprise? How many enterprises will be there for one organization?
Only
One.
one.
Only one. Okay. So if it is having divisions in Asia, Europe, Africa. What we will call divisions. What we will call
Division.
divisions. Correct or not? Okay. Under this Tata Asia, another division is there. TCS is also under Tata Asia is there. You can call this one also division, okay, or not. That is also your mandatory or not mandatory. That's your company requirement. Then after in India, okay, in India, okay, I'm I'm holding TCS, correct? Company is TCS. This one we are calling legal entity. This one we are calling legal entity. Now coming to B1, B2, same legal under B legal entity, we have two things. In India, Hyderabad only, Hyderabad also we are getting the salary. Hyderabad TCS Hyderabad people also getting salaries from TCS. Bangalore people also getting the salaries from this one only. So those are comes into the two business units. This under this legal entity. Okay, I am not going to the definition side. Okay, under this business unit we have so many. Under this business unit we have so many departments. Okay, business unit is our company is also one of the business unit. From there you will get so many you from over there you have so many departments, right? D1, D2. So these all are we are calling correct departments. Clear? Now under this department, this one first of all, prior to this one, see, up to here I explained. Up to here, the task which all are going to do, I am explaining. Now, up to here, what we will call, sir? What we will call? Up to here, these things, these architecture, we call this architecture is organization structure or enterprise enterprise structure. Okay, up to here we will call it as enterprise structure. Again, again, if I am telling correctly, from the department up to business units only we will call enterprise structure, enterprise or organization structure. From the department, okay, departments, jobs, grades, position. Okay, so just over here, up to business unit, we will call it as organization structure or enterprise structure. Up to business unit only. From department, these four, these four, what we will call these four? These four we will call workforce structure. We will call it as workforce structure. What it means, see, you have to in core HR what you are going to do. In core HR, we are bifurcating all the tasks into two parts, that is organization structure and workforce structure. within the two tasks, two we are within the two structures, we are going to create first organization structure. Without organization structure, you can't create any job grades and positions. Okay, see, see over here. Okay, now under this department, some jobs will be there. For them, some grades will be there. Again, under these jobs, some positions will be there. That's it. Am I correct or not? So then total structure of a company is came over here or not? We got the total company over here or not?
Yes.
We got the company. This is the overall look. Okay, outside look. This is. But if you are entering into the tasks, if you are entering into the tasks, as you said, I'm explaining over here. See, I'm just overall. I'm explaining all this. As I said, there is a country, there is a country. Then how system will know that is a that country? Within that country, some states are there. Within that states, and Hyderabad, one business unit there. How can you attach, how can you create a business unit and attach the location as Hyderabad? For that one, we have geographies we have to create, and you have to attach with the locations. And you have, if you want to create those structure, we have the we have one task called enterprise structure and enterprise HCM information. This one this one is very, 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 very important. This one takes a lot of time. This one takes a huge time to explain. Maybe 2 to 3 classes it will take continuously. Only one page will take that much of time. But the thing is, if you understood this topic, if you understood this topic, remaining topics are very easy to understand. If you understood this topic, and this one, you will understood very easily up to HCM information. If you understood this actions, manage actions, you will understood action reasons, lookups, and over here up to here. If you understood grades, then you can understood all these remaining things also easy. Okay, so just hope you understood what I'm trying to explain. You to create divisions over there, we have a task, manage divisions. To create enterprise, this what I explained earlier, we have a task name called establish it. To create legal entity, we have a task called legal entity. To attach the legal address, we have task called legal address. Okay, this one I will explain later. To create legal entity information, if you want to capture some information on legal entity, we have a topic called this one. Okay, this one is called as enterprise one. This one is enterprise. Hope you understood this one. Clear?
Clear.
So what I am explained till now, in the sense, in future classes in core HR, what all are the things that I am going to explain to you? What all are the things that we are going to implement? Okay. Now coming to, I want to show you something. Setup and maintenance. Okay. You understood this topic, right? I am coming outside of this topic. We have 45 15 minutes, right? We can explain small topic and we can wind up. Okay. See, I'm giving one example to you. Okay, outside of the topic means outside of this organization structure, one implementation is there, one project implementation is there. one project implementation is there. This implementation will be done in which environment? First development will be done by dev 1, dev environment. There will be a environments, different environments will be there. So over here it is starting with dev, right? Dev or not? Dev 2. Okay, if it is like dev in all most of the organizations, dev 2 or dev 3 will be the development purpose. Okay. Now, test for testing purpose, there will be a test environment. Test environment means over here at the place of dev 2, test will be there. Okay, and all the all the employees and all the users using environment is production. Okay, if any task is came, any project is came, any work is came, we will do the development in dev 2 environment, which is similar to this our production. We will do the testing by moving this development into test environment, and we will do the testing again. If it is working fine in test environment, you also tested and business is also tested, means your testing is important. Good, please do remember this one. You are developed and you itself is testing for your purpose. That is called unit testing. That is again after testing for your purpose, if it is working fine, then you will send it for the you will send it for UAT. You will send it for UAT. To whom you will send? Business. He will do the UAT, means user assignment test. Here user will test, here you will test. If these two testings, your development, your implementation is got passed, okay, successful, then you have to move your implementation into production. You can't do anything directly with the production. You have to do perform all these things. Hope you understood or doubt?
Yes.
Yes.
For this one, we have one thing. You understood that one, right? So my question over here, here in dev to implementation purpose, you taken 15 days of time to do all the development. Again you are moving it into test environment. So already development is completed, right? It will take in the test environment moving 5 days it will take. Again in the production also you have to move, again it will take 5 days. It is a time taking or not? These two time taking only.
Yes.
For that one we have one future called over here manage implementation projects. Manage implementation project. Okay, from here you can create your own project. You can create your own project. I'm just clicking on over there, implementation project. Okay, today what is today, what should I test underscore 20. Okay, I'm just clicking on outside. Okay, by default code name description is change. Again over here you just observe it is assigned to my name. My login name is Syed Anjum only, right? By default it is assigning to my name. Okay, you can keep the project start date, you can give the future date also. Whether it is accepting or not, you just check it from here. It is accepting. backdated also it will accept. Okay, so now I'm just giving from today's date. Okay, save and you can keep the next. Click on next. Okay, now it is offering, now it is asking you, Raghu, you are going to implement a project. What all are the offerings that you are going to attach? Now you understood offerings are important or not important. I'm going to take offerings like workforce deployment, if I'm going to, if I'm going with the payroll and absence and those things. Okay, and you can give, so if I'm choosing workforce deployment, total offerings and total modules under that offering will comes, and workforce development also I'm taking. Okay, now save and open the project. Okay, now you observe, now you observe, see, within this task if I'm keeping, just click on search, enter. Ayyo. Wait a second. Mm, Absence we are not taken, I think so. Okay, just to click on payroll related things. See, payroll definition I'm taking. If I'm clicking on payroll definition over here, okay, search it over there. If you are doing any payroll related, click on this one. Okay, once you click on that one, it will land up on your offerings. These tasks which are under the offerings, see over there. Okay, see over there. If I am clicking on this one, if I am clicking on this one, it will be directly landing up onto the payroll definition. Am I right or not? You no need to go there from there and you have to search. It is directly landing upon. It is once you, it is you started searching, right? It is saying that it is assigned to you only. Okay, over here assignment permissions. Okay, it is permitted to you. These things will be managed from here. Clear? From here you can go. What you are doing, sir? I'm doing some things from here. I'm going to the payroll definitions. I'm creating something and clicking on done. What is the use of this one? You can go it from there also. Whatever you are creating payroll definitions or payroll related anything from this project name. Okay, when I clicking on done, when I clicking on done, just observe over here. When I'm clicking on done, see what happens. It will be stored, it will be stored in within this project from here. Okay, within this project name, and just click on save and done. Okay, again copy configurations. Here you, why it is not coming from here? Manage this one only, right? Okay, so first of all you just trying to explore over here. Okay, so now whatever you are creating, whatever you are doing over here, everything will be stored within this project. Okay, or else you can click on this one, you can assign this task. Okay, you can assign this task to the users, any users you can assign. Okay, so what it means, you are the owner to the this project, you are assigning some subtask within that project to your subordinates or else your peers, means your colleagues. Wait, so you can give last name something like, okay, from to here you can assign this task to him. I just click run, done. Taking some time, wait. Okay, for this name I'm assigning. After assigning, you just observe, define common HCM configuration, right? Just observe the task under that offering, how it looks. See over there, it is assigned, right? Assigned or not? He, what you are doing from that project, within that project, some futures that you are assigning to this candidate. Okay, now next question will comes, right? Raghu, till now what we have done, we have done some implementation. What is our intention actually? Whatever the implementation that you are doing, just to do it from the, by creating one project. Once the project is completed, once the project is completed, what you have to do, you have to export this one, you have to export this one. Okay, then you have to import, you have to import that development into the production. You understood? So how to do that export and import, I will tell you tomorrow. Hello,
Yeah, okay.
is it clear today?
Yes.
Yes.
Clear.
Okay, today, tomorrow what I will explain is how to import, export and import that project, and then after I will start discussing the core HR topics. Okay, please
Yeah,
do
okay.
practice. Don't think like small topics only like that and all. Don't think. If you are neglecting, after 2 3 days, you can't even practice from single day also. What it means, like you can't start from starting onwards after 3 days or 4 days. Try to allocate some time, like 1 hour, 2 hours. It's better to you. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Bye.
హలో రఘు ఉమ్,
हाँ
హలో
రీల్స్
నిన్నటిది నిన్నటిది
పంపిస్తా
నోట్స్ పంపించారు
పంపిస్తా
అండ్ నాకు టూల్స్ లో అంటే ఐ మీన్ మన యూజర్
కాల్
ఐడి
చేయండి
క్రియేట్ చేశారు
సెక్షన్
ఓకే
క్రియేట్
యా
అవుతుంది కాల్
ఓకే